These onion bulbs have been sitting on water for about a week. That is long enough to grow some roots and even shoots, but nothing seems to be happening. That's about to change, and within the next few days, they'll grow roots like these. Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Obi's garden. In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to get your onion bulb to grow more roots quickly in water before transplanting to the soil. Growing onions from the bulb or bulb bottom is super easy. However, there are some challenges that can hinder the success of this endeavor. A typical example is when the onion bulbs fail to grow roots after sitting on water for several days. This is common with onion bulbs that exhibit high dormancy, especially when you try to grow them a few weeks after curing. To get the onions to grow roots quickly, you need to do a few things. The third step is very important to ensure success. First, you need to remove any dead or rotten skin from the bulb. Next, remove one layer of fleshy skin or leaf from the bulb. This ensures that the disc at the bottom of the bulb, where the roots normally grow, becomes more exposed and can get into contact with the water. The third step involves trimming off any dead tissue from the disc. This is critical to ensure the success of this trick since it allows the root to grow easily. Any dead tissue will hinder the growth of the roots, so removing that tissue ensures faster root growth. Once you trim all the dead tissue from the disc, you will notice many brownish or yellowish dots at the bottom of the bulb. These indicate growth points for the roots. You can give the onion bulb a final wash before placing it on clean water in the bottle. Finally, fill the bottle with clean water and place the onion bulb on it. Now, I'll do the same for the remaining onion bulbs. One thing about this trick is that even when the roots have started growing, it can help to grow more roots. When the onion bulb has grown some roots, the third step should be done carefully. You can decide to trim the side of the disc which doesn't have any roots, or trim all dead tissue in addition to the roots. New roots will grow shortly. After about 3 days, you can check on the bulbs for root growth. You can see that the roots have grown appreciably on all the bulbs. Even the bulb that had some roots early on have grown more roots. Generally, roots will begin to grow by the next day, but I chose to observe it after 3 days to ensure that there was adequate root growth on all the bulbs. Within the next 2 days, more roots will grow and older roots will have grown longer. The bulbs can be transplanted into soil to grow new shoots and green leaves. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button to show your approval. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified of our next video. Your support is greatly appreciated. Check out our other videos on onions. I'll see you in our next